This is the Saramonic Smart Rig 2, and this very device can be used to record a very clean signal from your microphone to your mobile devices. Shalom to you, my friends. My name is Isaac from Trego Studios. You're welcome to today's tutorial. Just like I said in the introduction of this video, I want to show you how you can record a very clear signal on your phone. So some of you are in churches and you don't have access to a laptop, and yet you want to be recording your pastor's sermon. Now, how can you do that? You can do that with this particular device into your phone, and no one is going to know. It's going to be as clean as though you recorded it on a laptop. This device is actually a preamp. It can receive a raw signal either directly from your microphone or a signal coming from your mixer or from any device that produces signal, even from your guitar. You can receive signal. Now it has a combo input, that is, it receives both jack input and XLR input. Alright, the 3-pin input, it can receive it on this single device. So, and it has a 3.5mm output jack, alright, which is plugged into your phone. So just like I said, it is used for recording a clean mix. It can be used to record anything from a source and down into your mobile phone. Now, how do you use this rig? Let me tell you the basic function on this particular device, alright? It has the port where you plug your source. So for instance, if I want to plug a microphone, this is an XLR input. I'll fix it here, alright? It plugs it in. Now it has a volume knob. This is where you control the volume, that is the volume of the recording. When you see that your signal is clipping, you can reduce it, or when you see that it's too low, you can reduce it. Now, this is the beautiful part of this device. There is a switch here, a switch for 3 modes. Now, there is the off. Once it is at the center, the device is actually off. It turns on a green light here once I put it on. That means it can now receive signal into the device and go out. Now, the beautiful part of this switch is that it has a phantom power, which is the third switch here. So when you switch this to the third part, you see that both the green and the red light turns on. So that phantom power, that's plus 48 volts, makes it useful for even condenser microphones. I'm referring to microphones like this. You can record this kind of microphone on this small device and it enters straight into your mobile phones. And of course, if you have a device that supplies phantom power or plus 48 volts, that device must also get its power from somewhere. And that is why you have at the back a battery port here. This is the kind of battery it receives. It's the 9-volt batteries. These batteries are used on some microphones. The 9-volt battery, alright, so just fix it in and then it starts to work. Without this battery, your device cannot work. Now let us put this to test, alright. I'm going to use a particular software on my mobile phone. The device I'm going to use on my mobile phone is the Wave Editor, alright. You can download it freely on Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you're using. Now, I've used this device on several occasions. I've recorded clean mix, even our pastor's sermon on this mobile phone. Now, plug the 3.5mm jack into your phone. So once you plug it into your phone is going to display the earpiece symbol. Now, if I want to record on this device, I'll click record. Now, but before I record, I have not plugged my input yet. So I'll plug my microphone. I want to use a shotgun microphone as a test. Because this shotgun microphone already has a battery, it's a condenser microphone, but because it already has a battery, I will not need to use the 48 plus 48 volt, that is the phantom power on the device. So that helps me save battery anyway. That's why I do it that way. So now the microphone is on, but let us check it on the device. Now I'm going to switch on the device, put it on. Now my green light is showing, so I'm just going to press record on my phone. Now once I press record, you notice that it starts to receive signal. Alright, now directly the microphone is plugged to this device, and this device, that is the Saramonic Smart Rig 2, the device is plugged to my phone. Alright, now what this device is actually doing is it's a preamp actually. That is, it is amplifying the signal coming from this microphone down into this particular mobile device. So you notice that it is already clipping, so I'll reduce the signal. I'm reducing the signal by turning down the volume. If I turn the volume down completely, you notice that you can't see any signal. All right. But if I increase the volume, if I increase it, you notice that it starts to read signals. All right. You can increase it excessively, and then it starts to clip. All right. So you see. So same thing you're going to do if you're also recording from your mixer into your phone. Just take a line output from your mixer and plug it into your smart rig, and then plug the rig into your phone, and then boom, you have your clean record. That's beautiful. Now this doesn't cost much. I got this for about $11. I think between $11 and $14. I got it on AliExpress. All right, so you can easily order it and then get the device. So you might not get exactly like this device, but any product you get that serves as a preamp for recording on your phone and can receive both a jack and an XLR input, that does the job. So I'm going to stop my recording and then make us listen to what I recorded. Now let's listen to our recording. I'm going to remove this so that you can hear it through my phone. You notice that it starts to receive signal. All right. Now directly the microphone is plugged to this device, and this device, that is a Harmonic Smartric 2, the device is you take a line output from your mixer and plug it into it. So you notice that the record is very clean, very, very clean, as though you recorded it on a laptop. So the laptop does not matter, or the phone does not matter. What matters is this device. It is a preamp that helps you record a clean device. So you have no more excuse for letting your pastor's sermon be wasted. You can record clean sermon just on your mobile device. Just get this device, and that's all. All right. That's all. You can record anything, anytime, any day, and it doesn't cost much. The battery, once the battery is done, you can replace it, and then you can record. All right, so that's it, friends. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, I would like you to click the like button, and if you want videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, we train media volunteers to become well equipped as they serve God through the media. So if that sounds like you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Till I come your way again next time, I want you to remain faithful in the Lord's service. God bless you. Bye.